What up, guys? The SecureChain mining application is live. So this project has been giving out some airdrop for a few weeks already, and lots of people participated in this. I personally did not participate in it, but now they have their mining application that has been launched and it is live for us to start mining. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to participate, how to download the application, how to sign up, and how you can start mining on the SecureChain application. So if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right now, you need to sit back, relax, watch this video till the end. Once you click on the link in the description of this video, to bring you to this page where it will bring you to the home page where you can sign up and also download the application. But once you get here, you can close the sign up or the login window that first shows up, because once you try logging in this way, it's a little bit complicated. I don't know, I think it's the traffic on the app right now is so huge, so lots of people are trying to sign up and it's getting complicated. So you just close it away, and you take your time to first go through the website so that you can understand the project more better. Read. I always tell you guys to read so you know what you're getting yourself into. So try and read and understand everything about the SecureChain, how everything has been going on, and how they plan of making this a successful project. So take your time to read and go through every section of the website. You can also see the tokenomics over here. You can take your time to read it and also check out the roadmap and take your time to go through every section. All right, so quickly we are going to be signing up and creating. We're going to be downloading the application, and then we sign up, then we are going to be starting our mining right away. All right, so let's do that right now. Once you get to this page, the next thing you should do is to maybe click on go back home. So you're just going to be downloading the application directly. So let's just quickly download the application before we go through the process of signing up. So you click on this button which is over here, the second button down here. Click on it so that you'll be able to download the app. Let's quickly do that. All right, download anyway. So I'm going to wait for this to download completely, and I will install it and show you guys step by step how you can get started on this application. All right, now let's quickly install the application. The download is over. Let's just quickly install this. All right, done. So open, click on open. All right, now you can see where we can register an account. So now let's click on register so that we can register an account and start mining on this application. All right, so here we are. So the next thing you should be doing here is to make sure you write your name. You write your name in the first box over here. You put your name in the first box, email address over here, your password, then you will put in a referral code. My referral code is on the screen right now blinking. You can just copy it and put it right in here, or you check in the description of this video. You are going to see a referral code that you can use, because you need this referral code in order for you to have access to this application. So go ahead, copy the code and paste it there, and you click on sign up. Let me quickly do mine so that I can also show you more things about this application right away. All right, so once you're done, all you need to do is to click on sign up. Let's quickly sign up. All right, so now once you sign up, you're going to get this message on your screen telling you to go and confirm your email address. There will be a link, there will be a message sent to your email address that you need to confirm your email address. So let's quickly go to our email address and confirm that, then we come back to log into the application. All right, so once you get into your email address, you're going to see this message. All you need to do is to click here. Just click here. It's going to confirm your email address for you. All right, so you click there. All right, so it has been confirmed, but do not bother to download again. You've already downloaded the application. You know, we downloaded the application before we registered, so you do not need to download anymore. So you can just cancel this and now go back to your application and sign in. So let's quickly go to the app and log in. All right, so here we are now. Let's just click on the login button and we are good to go. All right, so I'm just going to log in and show you what the app looks like. So after logging in, you are going to get to a page looking like this. Now this is where the whole mining is going to be taking place. Now I have 50 on my balance as a bonus. That's why I said you should use my referral link so that you can also acquire some bonus. All right, so the next thing you will need to do is to click on start mining. Let's start mining here. Click on start mining, then your mining is going to be activated. All right, so your mining has started already. Okay, so mining in progress. So you have to come here and click once in every 24 hours. I guess I can't see the timer and yet, but I think it's once in every 24 hours. So now, in order for you to in order for you to always follow up with more updates from this project, you need to follow up on their social medias, which are over here. Follow the social media so that you always get the right information from the team directly. All right, so make sure you always share your invitation code, or let me say your invitation link, by clicking over here. You can see this blue you can see this blue right up over here. Click on it. You can copy your link from there. So once you click on it, to take you to where you can copy your referral code. You can see it over here. Now you just have to come over here, then you click on this button up above here that says copy ref. So you copy it, then you can share with your link, and you'll be able to bring in more people and also earn extra income with the from the miner. So guys, it's as simple as that. So you can see the application is all set. It also have a staking section, which is over here. Now this, for the staking section, those of you that participated in the airdrop earlier on, because this SecureChain had an airdrop, although I never participated in it, but those of you that participated in it can still come over here and stake your tokens, the ones that you already acquired from the airdrop that took place earlier on. So if you have it, you can come over here and stake your airdrop, so and start earning some extra income from it. All right, so that's that. And you can come over here. Let's check the wallet section. This is where you can deposit your airdrop. This is where you can deposit your airdrop that you've already received earlier on before staking. You just come over here, click on deposit, then you can copy the wallet address. You see, copy the wallet address down here, then you can send it from your MetaMask or wherever your token is, the one you acquire, the airdrop. You can send it down here, then you can stake it straight away, so you can earn some extra income with the SecureChain. All right, my mining is already activated, and I hope yours is also activated. So you can come over and check here every 24 hours for your mining to be activated. So now, for those of you that were not able to participate in the airdrop, you can actually acquire some of this token through this mining process. So they decided to give the remaining of their token out to the community through mining. So let us take an opportunity to hop on this and mine more of this token for completely free. So guys, this is not a financial advice. It's completely free and doesn't cost you anything. All you need to do is to come in here and click once in every 24 hours. So let me check the profile. Here's your profile. All right, you can take your time to also read the FAQ section so that you understand better whatever this project is all about. So go ahead, read the frequently asked questions section, and you are going to get some answers to your questions. All right guys, so it's as simple as that. If you like what I showed you in this video, please go ahead, smash the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, subscribe and click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new update. So guys, I see you guys again in my next video. Bye.